How's it going, everybody? Jonathan Montoya here with Passive Income Lifestyles. In this video, I'm going to show you the top 9 affiliate networks. I'm going to show you, depending on your niche, depending on how much you want to make, the best networks that you can join as an affiliate marketer. Now, I did do a video right here, as you can see, the 13 high-paying affiliate programs. This video is completely different. It's all about high-ticket affiliate marketing and like direct programs. You go straight to the company. What I'm going to show you in this video is the top 9 affiliate networks. Okay, so these networks have a ton of different offers that you can go and promote, and I'm going to show you kind of step by step how it works. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. So the first one is called JVZoo. Okay, so this is a network that, if you're looking to promote like software or how to make money online type things, or even health and fitness, most of these are all digital products. So if you're looking to promote digital products, JVZoo is one of the top places where you can go and start promoting. So as you can see here, you can do for example internet marketing. So if you're trying to help people make money online, so you can promote something on internet marketing, stuff like that. Okay, so JVZoo is a great place for that. Now, I do like ClickBank a little better, which is number 2. Okay, so ClickBank has a ton of products, guys. If you're looking to do health and fitness or stocks or how to make money online or anything like that, guys, they have a ton of different products here. For example, let's see here. So business and investing, you can see they have like Forex trading. They have, investing, stuff like that. You can see how much you can make per sale. ClickBank is an awesome place to get digital products, and it's probably one of the it's the biggest place, to promote. Okay, so I highly recommend ClickBank. The next one, guys, is Max Bounty. Okay, this one's a little different. This is called CPA Marketing. So it's cost per acquisition or cost per action. So basically, if you get someone to just literally enter their email, you get paid. Okay, now CPA Marketing is a little different, and they do have some pretty good products on here, but this is just another option. I don't recommend this as like a complete beginner. This is a little different on the marketing side, but it is an option. Okay, now the next one is going to be more towards the more bigger business brands that you've heard of. Okay, and this network is called ShareASale. Okay, so this network allows you to promote big products. They have Reebok on there, but if your niche is like more fashion or makeup, you can find these products or find these companies in ShareASale. ShareASale is one of the biggest affiliate networks out there for different types of products. Okay, the ones I showed you before are pretty much all digital products. This one is more like if you want to do, like I said, like if you want to sell Reebok shoes, if you want to sell makeup, stuff like that, guys. And remember, if you are doing anything like that, you'd want to do like a YouTube review or a blog review on like a shoe or makeup tutorial, and then you would link them back to the product you're trying to sell. So ShareASale is a great program, guys. I actually do ShareASale for a few different things. One of the main ones that I use ShareASale for is Tailwind, which is my Pinterest scheduler. And that's within ShareASale. But anyways, there's a ton of different things, obviously depending on what your niche is. I'm not going to go through all of them, but you can see kind of the programs they have in here. Okay, the next one, guys, is a huge network. This is it is the biggest company in the world at the moment. And I'm going to show you real quick, guys, before we move on. If you can please like this video, subscribe to this channel. It really helps me grow on YouTube. So yeah, please like the video, subscribe, comment if you have any questions. Okay, the next one, guys, is Amazon Associates. Okay, this one, guys, is obviously Amazon's the biggest name out there. So it's like, if you promote a product on Amazon, people are just going to buy it, So like it's really easy to get a sale. The only problem is the margins are lower, okay? Because remember, with any other product, with a digital product, you have to make like a review. You have to, give a training on how to, use the software, how to use the program. With Amazon Associates, you literally just make a video on top 10 things needed for makeup or whatever you're doing. and then you would link all your 10 items in there, and that's how you would do Amazon Associates, because you can be an affiliate for anything. I don't like Amazon Associates myself because the margins are too low. I mean, you get like anywhere between 1% and 10%. But if you're driving a lot of traffic, this is a great way to get started, or to start getting some sales. For example, my wife, she started her YouTube channel all about breastfeeding. Okay, and so what she's doing is she's making videos on newborns and breastfeeding, being a new mom. So she has all her products from Amazon Associates that people would want. Okay, and she's making sales with it, which is cool. So definitely consider Amazon Associates if you're looking for like a different type of niche. Like for example, my wife is doing breastfeeding, so all her items that she recommends is breastfeeding stuff straight from Amazon, and she gets paid. So anyways, that is Amazon. All right, the next one, guys, is Impact. Okay, so this one is has some huge brands. So you got like Airbnb, you have some credit card companies, you have Levi's. So you got some big brands in here. Okay, so I don't use Impact myself just because a lot of these brands that I don't use myself, like Ticketmaster, McAfee, virus companies, that's something you would want to do like on a YouTube video and then recommend those products. But anyways, that's another affiliate network, guys. As you can see, they have Uber as well. So there's a ton of different things you can do, guys. There's so many things. You just got to, obviously figure out your niche, which I did a video about already. Figure out your niche, figure out what you want to talk about, and then you figure out the right network. And then from there, you figure out the right program or the right company that you want to promote. Okay. All right, the next one, guys, is called Commission Junction. These guys also have a ton of different like big companies, guys. They have GoPro, they have Lowe's, they have Priceline. If you're in the travel niche, okay, then you can promote Priceline. So that's huge, guys. You can make a lot of money with promoting like travel stuff. Okay, so we also got like health and fitness, so like 24-hour fitness. They're all over the country. Okay, you can do you can partner with 24-hour fitness and do that. Okay, so Commission Junction has those companies. All right, one more, guys, and this one is Offer Vault. Okay, these guys have a ton of different options as well. They have DoorDash. They have a bunch of different companies that you can kind of see. They have like software, and they have finance. Depending on what your niche is, guys. I basically just want to show you the networks that are legit, that are out there, that pay right away. These are the top networks I recommend. So these are the top 8. Now the last one is literally just direct, guys, direct to the company. So these are all networks that have a bunch of companies within the network. Okay, but what I recommend, guys, is finding a company or a software, and you can go direct through them. Okay, so for example, like for me, I'm an affiliate of GetResponse, which is an email autoresponder. Okay, so I go straight to the actual company. Obviously, it's a little bit more work depending on what you're doing, but you can go straight to the company and see, and you can get paid a lot more, anywhere from 30 to 40%. As you can see here, you can see what they're paying. And that's how you would do it. You would go straight to the company, and you can literally just sign up right here, as you can see. Okay, sign up. This is straight through the company instead of straight through the network. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense. And this video here, the last video I did, the 13 high paying affiliate programs, all those programs, guys, are straight to the company. Okay, because that is how you're gonna make the most money. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense. But those are the top 9 affiliate networks, affiliate programs that you can join. And let me know if you have any questions, guys. Those are going to be like the best ones you can join. And but yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys. Like the video. Let me know if you have any questions. I hope this video was a ton of value for you, and I'll talk to you soon.